Hey guys, we're coming at you from the land down under today. I'm an essential oil specialist at National Nutrition, and we're here to give you your essential oil reviews with Aromapathic Labs. Today we are talking everything tea tree oil. Did you know that tea tree sometimes gets confused with the plant that produces tea leaves to make oolong black and green teas? It makes sense given the name, but tea tree itself is native to Australia, specifically New South Wales, and it is a small tree that grows sprigs that also bloom beautiful white mini flowers. Aromapathic Labs sources its tea tree, of course, from Australia, and they take the leaves, they crush them up, and then they steam distill them in order to get an extraction of a pure 100% essential oil. For those of you who aren't sure what the extraction method really means, it means a lot for essential oils because it's what gives your oil its purity. So steam distillation or cold press gives you a 100% pure oil, whereas methods like solvent extraction leaves a lot of things behind in the oil, so it's not 100% pure and it's not the best for aromatherapy applications. Tea tree actually has amazing antibacterial and antifungal applications. It also has great soothing benefits to help soothe things like athlete's foot, and it's very stimulating, so it's a really great scalp oil to help with scalp dermatitis. The main active ingredient in tea tree is terpenin, which gives it its antibacterial and antifungal properties, as well as tea tree is made up of a slew of other alcohols and terpenes. The scent of tea tree is very, very unique. It's not like the nicest smelling oil out there, but when mixed with other ones, it can kind of give a very unique profile. It's very warm, it's fresh, it smells a little bit like eucalyptus, but it has a bit of a spicier scent to it. And it actually kind of reminds me of a cross between eucalyptus and patchouli, actually. It's definitely a unique one. Let's just put it that way. It mixes very well with rosemary oil. Rosemary has a more herbaceous scent and it's a bit heavier than tea tree, and it's going to be great for stimulation. It also mixes with cinnamon for stimulation, so cinnamon's a bit spicier and a little bit sweeter, so that's actually going to pair very well with this spicy herbaceous scent. And lastly, you can also mix it with frankincense oil, which is an amazing skin oil, especially for the face when diluted properly. It's going to really help clean out your pores and it helps with acne prone skin. So there you have it, the down low on tea tree oil, and we hope that you enjoyed this review. If you're loving them, please comment below. Don't forget to check out the links and to check out all the different sized oils that Aromapathic Labs has to offer. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.